Hey guys, today I'm working with a like new condition Maytag Bravos electric dryer, and I've got it going just on time dry, set to high heat. It's got a few different settings you can see here. Wrinkle control, of course your lint trap's up top here. If we open this up, you can see that lid switch works. Alright, close that up and just hit go. As you can see in here, it's a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. Whole machine looks, like I said, like new condition. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface measurement of the temperature, and I'll shine it right inside here for you to see. Plenty of heat coming out of the heating element tube. Take a picture for the ad there. But essentially your heating element is behind this panel here, so the heat comes up and out of this tube. So this tube can get really hot, but the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. That just kind of depends on which heat setting you have it on, because you do have a low heat setting or air fluff for your delicates, things that could be damaged by too much heat. So plenty of options there. And then of course you have an auto setting and the wrinkle control here. It's kind of cool. You just set that however you want it, and then it'll make sure your clothes will continue to tumble periodically so that they don't get wrinkles. But that's going to be it for this guy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks. Have a great day.